Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make your phone number private on Samsung Galaxy A26. To make your phone number private, go to the phone app, then click on three dots in top right corner and go to the settings. Now you can just go to supplementary services, and when you set show your caller ID to never, from now on, if you call anyone, let me just make a call. As I'm calling right now, on my other phone, it shows no caller ID. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.